Hello, I welcome you all to Soulstar. So, how are you guys doing? So, today we are here to do your reading, which is timeless, which is for collective, okay? And it's an intuitive psychic reading as to whenever you see this, could be a twin flame soulmate reading as to what you need to know right now in the moment, what you really need to know. So, this would be, of course, in the dynamic of your love essentially, but wherever it resonates, द रीडिंग इज़ मेंट फॉर ये आपके लिए है. सो हिंदी और इंग्लिश में ये रीडिंग रहेगी द वे द चैनल इज़. सो आई डू सर्टन रीडिंग्स इन हिंदी एंड सर्टन रीडिंग्स इन इंग्लिश. कुछ हिंदी में करती हूँ, कुछ इंग्लिश में करती हूँ. सो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं किसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हैं. जिसमें व्यूज़ ज़्यादा आते हैं, देखिए जिसमें लोग ज़्यादा उससे अट्रैक्ट होते हैं और रेजोनेट करते हैं, वो लैंग्वेज ऑब्वियसली दैट कम्स अराउंड. सो लेट मी नो which way you prefer so that we can go. All my information is in the description box, right? So let's start with the power of the love deck as to what you need to know right now in the moment. There will be free spread as to whatever they're going to offer me. We're going to take it out. Angel Michael Gabriel are with us. Let's see what are the messages we need to see. हमें क्या देखना है अभी के अभी. पूछो जरा पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है, कैसी बेकरारी है, कैसा नशा है. Something like that. This song, you know, the songs, everything they come to me as messages. So ये किसी के लिए सॉन्ग है, या आप सुन रहे हैं ये गाना, या आपको ये गाना बहुत पसंद है, करिश्मा कपूर पसंद है, आई रियली डोंट नो, आमिर खान पसंद है. सो ईदर विच वे आप अगर देख रहे हैं कुछ उनसे रिलेटिव, तो हो सकता है इस वीडियो में आपके लिए डेफिनेटली कुछ है, या गाना ज़रूर सुनेगा. यू माइट गेट अ मैसेज. What do you need to see now in the moment? What is the message my people for the one watching? देखिए, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को, प्लीज़ हेल्प करिए ग्रो करने में ऑर्गेनिकली. दैट वुड बी रियली नाइस एंड काइंड. They've asked me to stop. Show me the messages like this. What do we need to see? What do we need to see? And I will not give you sugar-coated reading, guys. मैं पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ आपको कि मैं I don't do this for finances really. So मैं आपको जो भी मैसेजेस हैं वो एज इट इज़ ही प्रोजेक्ट करूँगी, ठीक है. आई विल नॉट मिक्स दैम कि अच्छा लगे, व्यूज़ बढ़ जाएं, लाइक्स बढ़ जाएं. नहीं, जो मैसेजेस वो चाहेंगे, स्पिरिट गाइड्स चाहेंगी कम्युनिकेट करना या करवाना, वही आई गिव यू. दे आर आस्किंग मी to show you this release and this forgiveness. Now why do we have release and forgiveness? So obviously this is about something that did not work out. Obviously we've had the full moon in Sagittarius with the lunar eclipse and the one approaching, you know, which is like this solar eclipse, the big one, bada wala, right? So of course the shadow side needs to be seen. So with release they're saying you have the ability to give over unwanted energies to the loving forces of the universe. So this thing release whatever is not serving you. So whoever is resonating, ये message जिसके साथ भी resonate कर रहा है, Archangel Michael and other spirit guides are trying to tell you कि please release, cut cords. जो चीज़ें आपके लिए सर्व नहीं करी हैं, प्लीज़ उनको जाने दीजिए, उनको होल्ड मत करिए. लेट द यूनिवर्स हैंडल इट. बिकॉज अगर आप पकड़ के रखेंगे तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो रुके और वो उसी एनर्जी में रुके, राइट. विथ फॉरगिवनेस दे आर सेइंग यू आर नाउ एबल टू एक्टिवेट द पावर ऑफ लव इन ऑर्डर टू रिलीज पास्ट हर्ट्स. जब आप वो करेंगे तो आप फॉरगिवनेस की एनर्जी में आ जाएंगे, राइट. कि आप कहेंगे जो आप करते हैं अच्छा करते हैं, कि जो तुम करो सोई भल माने, विच मीन्स कि जो आप करते हैं वही मुझे भला लगता है, सही लगता है. वॉट एवर यू डू आई नो इज़ फॉर माई हाईएस्ट गुड. So they're saying when you're doing that, you're releasing past hurts, okay, you're releasing your anger, your ego, everything, and you're activating love, the energy of love. So why this has happened, let's see, and what are they advising you, let's see that, okay. So first we'll use a Lenormand. Let's see what do we need to see from this deck. So I really don't do reversals, but yeah, in this deck there are reversals. We don't tap into genders, right? It's all about the energy. So see how this resonates. आपके साथ ये कैसे fix होता है? Just keep that in mind. They're asking me to shuffle. अगर आपको ये bother कर रहा है तो आप please mute कर सकते हैं. Show me the messages I need to see. We're connected to air, water, fire. Show me the messages for the highest good, the one watching, the one who needs to hear this right now. जिसके लिए ये message है. It's your message now. Someone is eating rajma chawal. I smell rajma chawal. Really. Like it's like red kidney beans with rice. Or maybe someone is eating food. Are you eating food? So if you are, watch the reading carefully, okay? They've asked me to stop. Show me the messages I need to see, Michael. Keep it blueberry. What do we need to see for the one watching? At the bottom of the deck we have 28. So I'll tell you what that means, okay? Your name could start from a, or the one you're thinking about or asking about, or who's in question. His or her name starts with a name. Then we have the dog card, which is 18. I think you guys had loyalty issues, really. And then we have the mirror. And the dog, actually, I'll be honest, came into reverse. And we have 36 at the bottom of the deck. Just so you know. So I'm going to clear this to you in a bit. Let me understand this first. And see, I have a feather, I don't know from where. Like while doing the reading, I get a feather. So yeah, there's a message for you guys here. A very strong message. Watch this, please. Watch for a while. I'm going to be quiet. So I'm sure you must have seen it. So with the 28 here, you know, the man. Watch the light coming from the window. Okay. Watch how he's holding a rose in his hand. Okay. So with this particular card, this could be the reader. Okay. Could be you basically, or could be the male subject, the male person in question, जिनके बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं and you watching the reading. Okay. So what they're really suggesting here is that the person is waiting, you know, but is in the background. He's showing a lot of patience. वो बहुत patience दिखा रहे हैं. Communicate करना चाहते हैं but नहीं कर रहे हैं. For some reason नहीं कर रहे हैं. And he is just very quiet. And if we see, there's a, you know, dog card, okay, which is here. So there is a dog card which is here, right next to this card. Okay, so this is about loyalty. The person possibly has been loyal to you, right? But with forgiveness and release, it's about something which is not here known yet. You know, कुछ ऐसा है जो अभी तक clear नहीं है, because he is looking to the left to the card. वो इस तरफ देख रहे हैं, वो इस तरफ नहीं देख रहा है. The card side is not. अगर dog इधर होता और ये इस तरफ होता तो it would have been, you know, logical that, you know, the flow is there and everything. अभी there's no communication, it seems. Okay, it seems that you guys are not really talking. It's on a standstill right now. So it's about that transformation which has to happen. कुछ ऐसा है जो अभी complete नहीं है, जिसको complete करना है, और आप उसके लिए वो endurance आप show कर रहे हैं. You're showing. Excuse me, I need to like sneeze. 1 minute. Thanks. And it's a very good woman that I had to sneeze, right? So with the 44 here, you know, with this card here, it's the magnifying glass. It is about you seeing things, or the person who's watching, cross watcher, seeing things in perspective now. And you will have to overlook with this forgiveness and the release card. You'll have to overlook, if you want to make this relationship work, you'll have to overlook certain things and let go of some things that are very smaller in question. जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको बॉदर करती हैं, परेशान करती हैं, आपको उनको जाने देना होगा. And you will have to understand that whether this relationship is important for you or not. Okay, and take a closer look at yourself also, because if you are not giving in equally, if you are not doing your bit equally, then this will not suffice, right? It will not work. So this could be like this ringing bell for you, wherein it may show you that, you know, this could be in regard to something which was not clear, but now it's becoming clearer to you, right? Some of you were in a relationship that you were not very cool about, but now you're understanding कि भाई ये तो शायद ठीक था ही नहीं. ये भी हो सकता है. Okay, ये भी हो सकता है that they're asking you to pay attention to whether this relationship, what this relationship means to you, whether you guys, whether you are single, my lovelies जो देख रहे हैं, या जो लोग committed relationship में हैं या जाना चाहते हैं, या you know there's somebody who's coming in or who's come in your life, soulmate, twin flame, married, whoever, जो भी resonate कर रहा है. आइडली इमोशनल इश्यूज़ हैं, प्लीज़ उनको हैंडल करिए और क्लैरिटी के साथ सोचिए. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट आर्कएंजल माइकल एंड एमेथिस्ट द क्रिस्टल, उसको होल्ड करिए और यू नो यू विल गेट द पर्पस दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट यू सीकिंग. और ये फ़ायदा देखिए जो रीडिंग के दौरान यू नो आया, सो आई एम वेरी सरप्राइज्ड. सो देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज मैसेज फॉर समबडी हु इज़ वॉचिंग. आपके लिए बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है. एंड यू नो इफ़ यू लुक एट द नंबर्स यूर ऑल्सो, it is about staying very focused and paying attention to things that really matter. So it's like more about the right information, it's more about clarity, it's more about commitment, it's more about emotional wellness, it's more about कि किस तरह से और कैसे we need to altercate. So if there have been control issues, you'll have to let go of them, because चाहे वो आप हैं चाहे either which way, they're telling you to release the ability to give over unwanted energies, right? So could be you, could be the cross watcher. You need to see that, because with the cross here, it's about forgiveness, it's about you saying that I would operate, मैं you know वो हार्ट स्पेस मेरा जो है वो हार्ट चक्रा में हील करूँगा या करूँगी, and I'll do the needful which is required, right? So I'm going to clarify this for you, okay? With the, let me see which deck should we use. I'm going to use Rider-Waite. And with the Rider-Waite, you know, let's just clarify. Who is this man holding a rose? 3 cards, please. Who is this man? What are his intentions? With the dog and the magnifying glass, what is the man doing? दिखाइए मैसेजेस जो देख रहे हैं उनके साथ जो रेजोनेट करता है. They giving me a song, पता है, in हिंदी. It is like चाहूँगा मैं तुझे शाम सवेरे, आवाज़ मैं न दूंगा, which means that the person in question loves you, okay, but वो आपको बुलाएंगे नहीं. ईगो इश्यूज़ हैं, hands down, control issues हैं. तभी the advice is to the cross watcher, to you, either way, is to release the unwanted energies that are stopping your relationship to grow. They've asked me to stop. Show me 3 messages, Michael, that I need to see for the one watching. Is someone wearing pink bangles? I don't know. They're showing me like a bracelet or like, you know, bangles somehow. So they will not like communicate. Even if they love you, they will not come forward because there is ego which is holding them back. So ये तो है. So this seems like a male energy. This seems like the male subject of the reading. Now see, can we ask for more? We have the Judgment, which was like this, although I don't do a reversal, but with Gabriel here, okay, we have the Judgment, we have the Sun card. As I said, चाहूँगा मैं तुझे शाम सवेरे, फिर भी something तुझे आवाज़, which means that he knows that you are the right one, or whoever the energy, please, that this is the right one, the right fit, but they will wait for the divine to come, and that's exactly the advice was there. The core energy was that let go of the past hurt so that divine can work. You're not doing it, तभी आप stressed हैं. One more card please. सोच रहे हैं आऊँ क्या करूँ with the Two of Pentacles. They come forward, they go back, they come forward, they go back, and they're confused, but they know it's you. Why is the dog here? Why do we have the dog here for the one watching? Chariot. So we have the Chariot. It's about the balance. वो missing है, equal give and take नहीं है, control issues हैं, somebody wants to be in authority, somebody wants to take control, take charge, take lead. So obviously I'm not talking about zodiac and numbers and everything, but as I said, जो stand out करेंगे उनके बारे में definitely extended में मैं बात करूँगी. So what else with the Chariot? There's death. So they're saying they're ready to even let go of the relationship. So don't shoot me. I am just the messenger, okay? So they know you're the right one. They know all is great. You're the sun time. But with death, there's again the sun in the card shining, right? So it's about transforming also. It's not just about finishing up, but it's also about in the energy that I'd like to see that change. Maybe they're expecting it from you. You need to change either way. Yeah, because they are holding on to it. They are hoping. They are very badly hoping. And they are in two minds. With the 11 here, they are in two minds. Whether to come forward, not to come forward, what. And with the magnifying glass, what do we need to understand? ये बताइए ज़रा. Let's see. Queen of Cups. They are in their emotions. They are in their emotions because they know what you mean to them. But they are not going to make that move. बट आप अगर अप्रोच करेंगे, ऐसा लगता है, प्लीज़ यूज़ योर इनर कंपास एंड योर इक्वेशन, आपको बेहतर पता है, बट हुएवर इज़ रेजोनेटिंग, अगर आप अप्रोच करेंगे तो वो डेफिनेटली इस चीज़ का एडमिशन करेंगे कि यार आई वॉज थिंकिंग टू कम टू यू बट आई जस्ट कुड नॉट, राइट. एंड विद द 5 of Pentacles, they are also worried that whether you will accept them or not. They are scared कि ये रिलेशनशिप ख़त्म होगी या क्या होगा. सी विद द 10 of Swords here, this is their fear कि this could end the relationship. That is why they are not coming back. They are very scared. Oh God, ये जो पर्सन है ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब्ड है. Could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio you could be dealing with. And could be a Gemini, Libra. Could be. So yeah, there's major earth energy, water energy that I see. Air of course is available. So ये जो भी इंसान रीडिंग देख रहा है और जो भी इस रीडिंग से रेजोनेट कर रहा है, द स्ट्रिक्टर, द कूलेस्ट, द बेस्ट एडवाइस इज टू रिफ्लेक्ट विद इन. अपने अंदर भी देखिए और रिलीज़ करिए अनवांटेड एनर्जी जो सर्व नहीं करिए. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये रिलेशनशिप टॉक्सिक है, ये रिलेशनशिप आपको सर्व नहीं कर रहा है, आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू जस्ट से बाय इन द मोस्ट हेल्दी manner. ओके। और अगर आपको लगता है कि ये रिलेशनशिप आपके लिए अबंडेंस लेकर आएगी, आपके लिए प्यार लेकर आएगी, आपके लिए मोहब्बत लेकर आएगी, वो राइट फिट लेकर आएगी विद द चैरियट, द बैलेंस, यू नो, एंड नर्चरिंग एनर्जी जो है वो इसमें है, तो ऑफ कोर्स यू शुड मेक द एफर्ट एंड फॉरगिव द पर्सन। यार आप माफ़ कर दीजिए अगर उनसे कुछ गलत हुआ है इन द पास्ट, समथिंग दैट हैज़ नॉट वर्कड इन द पास्ट, उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा किया है जो ठीक नहीं था, सो यू प्लीज़ फॉरगिव हिम और फॉरगिव हर, whoever, whatever the energy is, right? But I think there's a lot of love in this spread. I wanted to show you this clearly. So please आप उन्हें मौका दीजिए. Don't judge and take the call too quickly. बहुत जल्दी मत लेना वो कॉल कि नहीं यार नहीं समझ आ रहा है एंड ऑल दैट. टेक सम टाइम, अंडरस्टैंड. कई बार क्या होता है ना, हमें समझ नहीं आती और वो गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं. हमारे अपने डर हमें रोकते हैं, राइट. फियर्स होते हैं वो हमें रोकते हैं आगे बढ़ने से, और बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हम अच्छे रिश्ते गंवा देते हैं, अच्छे लोग अपने जीवन में गंवा देते हैं. देयर वाज एन अमेजिंग message today that I was reading. I'll share it with you. Give me 1 second. It's like most often what we do is that we forget the power, literally they say the power of love. We just forget that so quickly, and they are in the most simple things. सबसे खूबसूरत और सबसे अहम चीज़ें जो हमें मिलती हैं ना, वो हम उन्हें अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं. सी, विद द क्वीन ऑफ कप्स हियर, विद द सन हियर, विद द चैरियट हियर, with the man with the rose here, the dog which is about loyalty, so much of it. हम अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं उस रिश्ते को, उस पर्सन को, उस एनर्जी को बहुत ज़्यादा. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द पावर ऑफ अ सॉफ्ट टच. दैट्स द मैसेज. अंडरस्टैंड द पावर ऑफ द सॉफ्ट टच, a loving smile, a kind word, a listening ear, a fond kiss, an honest compliment. Smallest yet the most honest act of caring, जो actually में आपको शो करते हैं that how much the person loves you, right? So this person in question, ये रीडिंग जिसके साथ भी रेजोनेट करती है, ये पर्सन जिनके बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं रीडिंग, वो आपसे प्यार करते हैं. दे रियली लव यू. दे आर स्कैर्ड ऑफ लूजिंग यू. दे आर स्कैर्ड दैट यू विल वॉक अवे. दे आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू देयर इमोशंस. दे आर फियरफुल. घबरा रहे हैं, तभी समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं कि क्या करें. विद द सन हियर, द बेस्ट कार्ड इन द डेक, सो मेक श्योर कि आप अपना इनर कंपास यूज़ करें, अपना एनर्जी डिसाइफर करें, देखें, और जो बेस्ट है वो ज़रूर करें. ओके, सो द रीडिंग रेजोनेट्स, गिव मी अ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड हेल्प द चैनल ग्रो. ओके, एंड आई थिंक प्लीज़ यार उन्हें बता दीजिए दैट यू डू हैव अ हार्ट फॉर दैम. और आपने बहुत अच्छा समय बिताया है, ये मुझे दिखता है. यू स्पेंड अमेजिंग टाइम टुगेदर. यूज़ योर विजडम. ईगो से मत चलिए, लॉजिक मत यूज़ करिए हर चीज़ में. use your heart as well a little. Okay, have a balance with the chariot here. ये reminder है किसी के लिए कि have that balance of your mind and your heart, so that you can appreciate what you have. और कुछ चीज़ें जो नहीं वर्कआउट हुई उनको जाने देना चाहिए, right? And make this relationship a better one. Alright, so like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Bye for now.